Okay. Yeah.
Here's our ride.
Hi!
With no driver.
Oh my God! Wait!
Oh wait!
Where are you going?
Holy moly.
Ay! Ay! Okay, go in first, man.
You don't have a driver. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Jill, thank you! We have to put seatbelt.
We're taking Waymo, but there is no driver.
Inosente, oh.
Oh my God.
Binivideo mo pa?
Yeah.
Vehicle approaching.
You ready? OMG.
Heading to 609.
Wow, look at this. No driver. Watch out!
I think we're turning left.
It knows when to stop.
Sino kayo may nag-invento na ito? No,
Google.
Yes.
Google? Di ba si Elon Musk magkakaroon?
Hindi, pero lahat Jaguar ang ano nila, kotse.
There's a ghost driver. You can't see him, but he's right there.
Pero lahat ito kami camera dito. Yeah. Oh,
Say hi tayo.
Hello!
Say hi! Say hi to our driver, invisible.
Invisible driver.
Inosente ako!
We don't have a driver.
Watch when it turns left, when we turn left. Okay.
Man pala yung mga mawawala na ng trabaho, mga drivers.
Here we go.
So Google ang nag-umpisa na ito. Ang yaman na nila pa.
Like this. No. I actually applied to work here for like the app, right?
Right?
They didn't call me back, but I'm like thinking maybe it's good I don't work, because then you're like, you know, in charge. It's like, you know, being a pilot of it.
Yeah.
You're in charge of everyone's safety and lives.
Can you imagine, later on, there's no more pilot then?
Oh my God.
Dang.
Maybe they just need only one. Maybe they don't
Need an assistant.
Yeah, they don't need a second.
Na co-pilot. Malayo pa kayo? Malapit na.
15 minutes.
Oh,
15 minutes.
nasaan na nga?
Oh, over there. And then it pulled over.
Oo.
Like,
Wow.
and none of the cars on the road pulled over except us, because
Ganun eh, no?
this is safe.
Yung mga may driver hindi nag-pull over. Yung walang driver.
Oo.
Siya pa yung nag-pull over.
Do you think they have yung driver sa sa bahay or something kaya? Or computerized lang talaga?
I think it's computer. Until maybe if you call, like, oh, they might do remote control. Maybe if there's like an emergency, but I think it's
computer.
computer.
Baka ako may nagde-drive.
So only
Ay,
Waymo.
mas maganda nga. Maganda yung safety muna. Ha?
Yeah. So I think they stopped the other company trying to do the same.
My God, whoever invented this, siguro ang yaman-yaman na. No?
Yeah.
Ang talino naman nun. Whoever that.
I think it must have taken a long, like maybe it's 2025. Maybe they've started in 2010, like a long time.
2010?
I think, like, you know, just to
When
get,
did itong nag-start
I
to?
don't remember. I don't know actually, but I assume that it takes many years. Like they can't just like, oh, let's do the car next
you're
year.
right.
So
They have to make sure.
many years from the idea to safety testing.
I Tingnan mo, and then the distance. Look at that. Yung pag nagbe-break burgers.
I still like In-N-Out.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, but the smash burger, tan mo kay BJ, I think it's right here. Ang sarap ka mo.
Smash.
Yeah.
It's like a flat burger. It's very flat.
Oh, flat.
Pero yung ano, para ba siyang mas masarap pa sa In-N-Out if you like that.
There is, me and my mom were driving last week, and then there's this intersection. I don't know how familiar you are with the LA roads, but like there's a very weird intersection here. We almost got into an accident because I didn't know how the. It's like I think it's down there.
We're making a left turn.
Oh my gosh, making
Oh, it's here, Mom. The weird intersection.
Oh, really?
this one?
Yeah, I'll show you what it's gonna do. Yeah, it's here.
So yan, tuturuan ka, oh.
Yeah. It's
Ah, yeah.
because I don't know who's go.
Tara mo kay Tita Girl.
Yeah, I'm supposed to go right now.
Which one?
If we go straight, is it gonna turn?
More.
Oh, it's gonna turn.
We're turning right.
Oh, never mind. It's not gonna go there. But there's this weird
Intersection.
over there.
Maybe Tito Gilbert mo knows. Ask him.
What's in it?
Like there's like a light, a green light. One is going, but we're actually the same light as the people going straight. I don't know if it's
Bakit yung yata? Ito yata.
going this way.
I think this is the one.
It is. So there's cars coming, right? Last week,
Oh,
coming. Those cars are moving,
okay.
and we're over there, and we want to turn left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna. Is that one? Is it that one, Mom?
Yeah.
The one on the tree.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh,
It's-
oo nga.
It's weird.
Oh, Waymo.
Hindi kami may kasalanan na si Waymo.
Yeah, where's our traffic light? That's our traffic light. That green.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, so it's green. So I thought, oh, it's us, our turn. But it's actually both. I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb.
No. Eh, ano natin, i-explain natin kay BJ din, silang dalawa, mamaya pagtapos nito.
The roads here are not straight. Like, it's not, you
Oo
know.
nga. Ay, kung ako yun, malilito rin ako, ah. Ay, marble.
Do we need to refrigerate it or is it okay?
No,
on
it's
the
okay.
counter?
But eat it as soon as you can dahil diba, you know, cookies, they don't stay long.
Yeah.
Yung shelf life is like different. Hindi yung my cake, yung cake na I made,
Yeah.
yung for the business. So I had to try it. I put it in the ref or I put it in the room temperature. It lasted at least 6 days.
A week
And
almost.
yeah, the texture is still
Oh.
there. Tsaka yung moistness.
So 6 days ang shelf life.
Yeah, parang ganun.
So parang
Yeah.
consume.
Yeah,
in
pero
6 days.
pero ako I still ibebake ko ng siguro 2 days before ng event para maganda talaga.
Oh.
I noticed people are kind of polite around the Waymo. I don't know. I never see people being aggressive.
Oh really?
They're more like when I'm driving, people are so mean.
You
Here,
mean they're careful?
they're careful around. Yeah.
Ay, kasi it's all camera.
Yeah, I guess. Usually there's like drivers around me when I'm driving. Highway, she's like, people are gonna get mad at you if you
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
doing that. So yeah, I'm just Cause like I never went
Maybe
this
just try-
fast.
Yeah, just don't go in the left lane.
Fast lane yun there.
Yeah, fast lane yung left.
I was in the middle, but yeah, I'm just not used to going so fast in the car. Like 100 miles.
Di ba you did it sa UPs when you go to school?
No, but this I feel like the US is faster.
Sabi niya.
Sabi niya naman oo
Oo
daw.
naman.
Kaya lang natatakot ako mag-drive doon. My goodness.
Kasi naman kaskasero yun.
Ang hirap. Nakakatakot.
Do they hit and run?
They see it clear, they're gonna overtake.
Land.
Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah.
Ayaw kapag ano.
Tingnan mo yung sina Chris nung pumuwi.
Oo.
Tuwan-tuwa sila dahil yung kaskasero yung driver.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hindi siya natatakot.
No.
Oh my God.
Noong una. Napapaganon sila eh.
Ay, napapahawak.
Oh, it didn't turn.
Someone is driving. We don't know who it is. Do you see the driver? He's invisible.
I wonder if people are bringing their kids
Ah,
on the Waymos.
of course.
We should bring
Hey,
baby.
we're making a right turn right here.
Hindi maganda to dahil sa mga lalo na yung mga yung mga went to the party and had a drink.
Oo.
This is safer.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially if you're a girl.
Yeah.
I heard there's some Ubers in LA.
So is this locked kapag hindi is it
It
locked
even stops
You
for
cannot-
pedestrians.
from the outside?
Yeah, I think so. They can't
Okay.
just open.
Ayun yung robot oh. On the street.
Oh, meron na.
Ayun ang community good sa left.
Yeah, that's the coffee.
Oh.
I don't go there anymore.
Don't forget your phone, keys, or wallet. There are more drop-off options in the app.
Naalala ko na to. Oo nga, malapit na.
The stop sign. Ooh,
Oops.
why is it
Wow,
swerving?
galing.
Ang galing naman. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Thank you, Waymo.
Thank you, Waymo. Thank you, Invisible Driver. Have a good day.
You're here. Please
Go out
make
this
sure
way.
it's clear before exiting.
Your ano? It's so nice.
Please close doors.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang galing naman.
And then I wait for the next ride, or maybe it's already scheduled.